Welcome back to the Tech Talk podcast, where we dive deep into the latest innovations in technology and software development. Today, we're exploring compose-multiplatform, a fascinating framework that's shaking up how developers create user interfaces across different platforms. So let's jump right in. Imagine being able to craft a beautiful user interface once and then deploy it across iOS, Android, desktop, and even the web. Sounds like magic, right? Well, that's the power of Compose Multiplatform from JetBrains. It's built on the established foundation of Jetpack Compose, which many Android developers are already familiar with. So what exactly is Compose Multiplatform? Well, it's a declarative framework that allows you to share UIs across platforms using Kotlin. And here's the kicker. You can target iOS, Android, Windows, macOS, Linux, and even the web. It's currently in different stages of development. iOS support is in beta, while web support is still in alpha. Now think about this. How often have you faced the tedious task of rewriting the same UI code for different platforms, or found yourself battling platform limitations? With Compose Multiplatform, most of your API is shared, which means you can use the same codebase for your user interfaces on both Android and iOS. It really streamlines the development process. Let's start with iOS. Even though it's still in beta, this feature is considered complete. That's promising, but you might encounter bugs and some developer experience hiccups. If you do, JetBrains is eager for your feedback through their public Slack channel. This openness to feedback is a good sign. They genuinely want to enhance this experience. And speaking of experiences, imagine being able to access native APIs seamlessly. With Compose Multiplatform, you can dive right into functionalities like accessing the camera API or incorporating complex views. Think about integrating something like MKMapView directly into your iOS app. How cool is that? And for those developing for the desktop, Compose Multiplatform gives you a robust environment. With high-performance hardware-accelerated UI rendering, it supports all major desktop platforms, making it easy to implement menus, keyboard shortcuts, and even manage notifications. That's a game changer compared to traditional methods. Now, here's a thought-provoking question. How might the evolution of tools like Compose Multiplatform change the future of cross-platform development? Are we moving toward a point where rewrites and platform-specific customizations will become obsolete? Before we wrap up, let's touch on the web aspect. Currently, it's in alpha, so while it's exciting to experiment with web UIs, it may introduce some quirks and future migration issues. Still, being based on Kotlin WASM opens up a world of possibilities for performance in the browser. As we think about all this, it's clear that Compose Multiplatform isn't just about code. It's about enhancing the developer experience and making applications more efficient for users across multiple platforms. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, this framework has something to offer. As we close today's episode, remember that the world of cross-platform development is rapidly evolving. What do you think about the future of app development with tools like Compose Multiplatform? Don't forget to share your thoughts and join the discussion. Until next time, keep coding, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep exploring.